Hey guys, welcome back to Obsession Car Detailing. My name is Saad, and today I've got this brand new Volkswagen Tiguan R that was brought to us straight from the dealer for our new car ultimate ceramic coating package. What this consists of is ceramic coating and protecting every single surface on the car inside and outside. We start with a two-stage paint correction to remove any minor swirls and scratches from the pre-delivery and the manufacturing and the transport process. We then coat the whole car with Gtechniq Crystal Serum Ultra. We then top the Gtechniq Crystal Serum Ultra with Gtechniq Exo V5 for even more hydrophobic performance and gloss. The wheels are removed and coated with 3 layers of Gtechniq wheel coating along with the brake calipers. Of course, the interior fabric and leather is protected also, and the plastic trim here and everywhere in the car is also protected with Gtechniq C4 trim coating, and then topped off the layer of Exo V5. Finally, all the glass, including the windscreen, is coated with a hydrophobic glass coating, which means in the rain, when you're driving and doing some speed, you won't have to use the wipers because the water just beads away. As the final piece of the puzzle, the owner elected to have the windows tinted with Xpel Prime XR Plus, which is the highest heat rejection film on the market. Now you might notice something funny here. The windows don't look dark and they don't look tinted. That's because he elected to go with the 70% VLT, which is basically clear. So he keeps this kind of cool, airy feel inside the cabin, but you still get the heat rejection without any reduction in light. To find out more about how we can help maximize your new car ownership experience, get in touch with us on the details below. Until then, stay protected.